The perennial herb Bacopa manieri, sometimes referred to as water hyssop or brahmi, is a native of the marshes of India and Australia. Bacopa, which has been used for centuries in Ayurveda, ancient Indian medicine, has a number of chemical components collectively referred to as bacosides that have the ability to pass the blood-brain barrier and offer important neuroprotective and neuroenhancement advantages. According to a 2013 neuropharmacological review of Bacopa manieri conducted by the Department of Neuroscience at Pitzer, Claremont College, long-term moderate use of the herb appears to nourish rather than deplete neurons, in contrast to the potentially addictive and potent action of popular psychostimulants like modafinil. 2. A 2013 meta-analysis that was published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology found that chronic Bacopa administration had a greater overall positive impact on cognitive processes than modafinil, especially in the area of memory, despite the herb's slower, gentler effect on the brain than pharmaceutical nootropics. The Chinese native tree species Ginkgo biloba, also known as just ginkgo, is a pillar of traditional Chinese medicine. Ginkgolide and bilobalide, two bioactive chemicals found in leaf extracts, are thought to have memory improving, neuroprotective, and neuroregenerative effects by boosting blood circulation and facilitating the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to the brain. The plant was nevertheless found to provide cognitive benefits in patients with Alzheimer's disease, and that some executive functions, selective attention, and long-term memory were all enhanced by its extracts, according to a systematic review of 7 randomized controlled trials conducted by an international team of scientists from India, Israel, and Poland in 2012. Despite only having limited evidence to support ginkgo as a treatment for ADHD, unlike Bacopa manieri, the plant was nevertheless found to provide cognitive benefits in patients with ADHD. Ginkgo biloba was the most relevant nootropic with regard to perceptual and motor functions, the neurocognitive domain in charge of receiving, interpreting, and using sensory data, according to a group of Spanish researchers' thorough review of plant-derived nootropics, which they conducted in the early 2022. Hand-eye coordination, body-eye coordination, auditory language skills, and visual auditory abilities are all examples of perceptual motor skills.